Begin by powering down the EGM. Next, disconnect the 4 DisplayPort cables from the Salem CPU and tuck them aside. Unlock and open the CPU door. Pull on the CPU to disengage it from the backplane. Remove the CPU from the cabinet. With your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove these 3 screws from the power supply. Next, disconnect the power plug and the 2 Molex connections from the power supply. Now that the power supply is fully disconnected, grasp the power supply, slide it slightly to the right, and pull it out of the cabinet. Install a new power supply by reversing these steps.